Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this JavaScript tutorial today I will show you how to get first letter from first name and last name from an array object. So this question asked me one viewer, so that's why I'm making a video. So guys, first of all, here I will show you what I'm trying to do in this video. So first of all guys, suppose so if I write script tag, first of all I will write script tag, and then suppose I have variable and the variable is an array, so I will write arr. Okay, this is an array variable, and here is two object, that is one is name is suppose John, and this name I have to be write inside an inverted comma because this is the string. This one is the name in one object, and I will create another object, this one. So here just I will change my channel name, okay, anything here, this one. Okay, this is the array and object. So if I break this one, so it will look like this, okay, this is an array object like this. So now guys, here so I have an array and object, so property is only name. So now the question is, from this name, here the first name is John, second name is last name is Doe, and here is the creative and developer. So from here the output will be like J from John, D from Doe, and here the another output will be C from creative and D from developer. So this two will be output I have to be print from this array object, first letter from first name and last name. Okay, so this is the question. So how you can do that? So now guys, first of all, so this is the array, and now here what I will do, you can use here for loop, or you can use for each loop, anything you can use. So here I will use for each loop. Okay, so arr dot for each. Okay, this is the syntax of for each loop. Value, this one, value means what? So now first of all you have to be understand, if I write for each loop, so now what I will get in this value parameter. Okay, so now if I console this value, so now what I will get, so everything I will explain, and I will try to explain clearly. So now if I refresh, so you can see, if I write value, so I'm getting the value as an object John Doe and this one. Okay, so now if I write only value dot name, so what I will do, what I will get, so only name I'm getting John Doe and creative developer. So this one. So now, so from this so this one I'm getting. So what I will do, I will write here, I will create here array split like this way. So let's see what I will get the output. You can see, when I have written like this, in the value dot name I was getting name. Okay, and now when I have written dot split, so what split method does? Split method creates an array to a string. Okay, so if I would write only name, so that time I would get the name as a string value. So when I want to convert this string into an array, so just simply I had written here split method, so that time it's converted into an array like this. So now it's a very simple to get first letter and from first letter from first name and last name. Okay, so how can do that? So now here what I will do, so now first of all split, and here I will write 0, because now first of all I will take only this one. So array we know as a count, as an index. Okay, like John is the index 0 and Doe is the index 1. So if I want to take only John, because first priority would be to take the first letter from first name. So now I will forget this Doe because I don't need that Doe right now. I will work with John. So now we know guys, when we want to get the first index of an array, so simply we write the 0. I mean it will get 0 index, right? So now, but before, so if you are getting confused, so I will make it more easy. So now just forget this one also, okay? So forget this one. Now suppose I have only an array, so where arr, and suppose here I have my channel name. This is the 1 index, I mean 0 index, and this is will be first index, because we know array count as an index. So first, I mean position, so first value is the 0 position and second value is the position 1. We cannot say this is 1, this is 2. We have to be said this is 0 position and this is 1 position, because array count from 0. Okay, now so first of all you have to be understand, that is when I want to get only creative, what I will do. So in the console, so for making this one very simple, I am doing this one. So you will after that, if you understand this one, so you can easily find first name, first letter from first name and last name from this array object. So that's why for making it easy, I am doing like this way first of all. Okay, so now in a console, if I write arr 0, so guess what I will get in the output. So if I write only arr 0, so that time I will get only creative. So let's see, I'm getting the exact output or not. So you can see I'm getting creative only. So same way, so this is 0, so that means this one will be 1. So now same way, if I write comma and arr 1, so what I will get? I will get here this one developer also. I mean suppose if I remove this one and suppose if I write only arr 1, so you will find I will get only developer, right? So I can get like this way. So now the main thing is this one I am getting. So now suppose this is the first name, and now I am assuming this is the first name and this is the second name, but sometimes some people has the middle name also. Okay, like suppose here is the middle name, anything middle name I'm writing hello. Okay, so this is the first name, middle name and last name. So that time if I write a0, so that means I will get creative, array 1, that time I will get hello. And when I will write arr 2, so that time I will get developer. So let's see. So here you have to, why I am doing this, so because you have to be understand carefully, because the question is to get first letter from first name and last name, not a middle name. So that time if I would write, suppose some people has the middle name and some people don't have the any middle name, so that time if I would write a0 and a1, so that time I would get proper output which people don't have middle name, but which people have the middle name, so that time I would not get the proper output, because I would get the first name and middle name if I would write a0 and a1 which people have the middle name. Okay, like this. So that time for getting the last value of the array, because some people has a middle name, so that time I cannot write like static way a1 a0. It's okay, because first name will be always first position, but last name will not be always second position, last name will be always last position. So that time we cannot write a1. So that time how I will get this developer? Some people will be the middle name, some people does not have any middle name, so that time always I will target the last one. So how you can do that? So just simply here you have to be write, instead of arr1, here you have to be write arr dot length minus 1. Simply this thing you have to be write. So that time always you will get last name. You can see, suppose the mid here if I remove the middle name, so that time you will get also this one, you can find. So this is the thing. So for make it easier, I have written this one. Okay, I hope it's clear, because I have shown this one because sometime people will be a middle name and sometime will not. So that time if you write a0, that will be perfect, but a1, so that time if people has a middle name, so it will get the middle name, not last name. Okay, so I hope it's a clear how you have to be target the last value of the array like this way instead of a1, right? So I will remove this one. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you can write in comment in that portion also. I will try to solve your doubt. Okay, so now it's done. So now here when I have I was getting this value using value.split, in that portion I was getting the value as in string format, but I have to be create an array. So what I have written, this split method, right? Split method, it was creating an array to a string value, and now I need only 0 because first name. Okay, so now if I write this one, so you will find I will get only first one. Okay, so I am getting the first one. So now here what I have to be do here, again this thing I have to be create an array. Okay, so now what I will do here, again I will write split method, split like this. Just a minute, here I cannot add space because, so here how split method works, so that you have to be understand also. So so first of all I will remove this one and let's understand this one also carefully. You can then after that if you get any question, you can solve by yourself also. So just I will remove this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so now check it here, this one is the string. Okay, so this string I have to make it an array. So how can do that? So this is the string when I was making. So now I will remove this one also. Now understand very carefully. Okay, so now I was making array John and Doi. John will be a another value and Doi will be a another value. So how I was making this one, so that time when I had written split method, so you just 0 I will remove also. So you just find here like this. So you can see the array is creating John is the another value and the Doi is the different value. How it's creating like this? Because you can see here I have added a space here. Right, in this inverted comma I had added space. So that time it was creating an array when it was getting space. Like again if I remove this one, so you will find this video may be the long, but it will be more clear. Okay, so you can see John, then in this John later there is, I mean character, there is no space, but after that space then Doi. So when I need a array value like this, John is the same I mean a different value and Doi is the different value. So I need an array like this. So that's why when I had written the split, so that time I had added a space. That means this split will create an array when it will get a space. So it will create this one is the same value, I mean a different value, and this one will be the different value because it was getting space here. Okay, so that's why I had written space, and now I need only first one, this John. So I had written 0 again. So now at up to that I will save and so I am getting 0. So now I will create the array to the John. But see here how I will create, J will be the different value, O will be the different, like this. So here you can see here J, after that no space. So without space I want to create an array. So now when I will write here split method, so that time I will not add space inside this inverted comma. So now it will be create array like this way. But if I would add space here, so that time in this the name of this John, it will not get any space. So now John is only one value and it would get like this way. But I don't want like this. I want it to every letter will be a separate value like this. Okay, I hope it's clear. So now how I can get, so I need only first letter from first name. So I need only J. So how you can get the first one? So simply again I will write here 0. So now you can see I can get only J and C. I'm getting this first from the first letter from the first name and last name. You can see J from John and C from creative. So this is very simple. I hope it's clear. So now the same thing I will do for the last name. Okay, so now here just simply I will add comma. Okay, because now I will write the code for the last name. So same thing, value dot name. So if I write value dot name, so let's see what I will get here. Here you can see I'm getting all the name, but I don't need that. I need, because I just extract from J from the first name and C from the first name here. Okay, so now I need only, I will work with only last name. So what I will do here, so name dot split, I will create an array same way and split 1. So now you will get, I will get only the last name. Okay, I'm getting undefined. Sorry, here I have written split 1 actually by mistake. Here I have to be not split 1, I have to be write like this. Okay, you can see it's created an array again, but from this array I need only last name. Again just same thing, how I was getting the first letter from first character. So same thing I will do here, but instead of 0 I need a last one, last name. So instead of 0 I write here 1. Okay, so now you will find I will get here J Doi. Okay, but one thing that I had shown the example before, that is if I write 1, so sometime some people has the middle name also like this. So that time what I will get, you can see J Doi, it's perfect, but which people has the middle name? Suppose this one has the middle name hello, so that time I'm not getting developer, I'm getting hello only. So because I have written here 1, so what I have to be do, just here I have to be target the last name. So how can do that? So simply instead of 1 here I will write value dot name. I will create this one again array split, then I will just same thing I will write here this one. Okay, don't be confused here, this one I will write now dot length -1. So now if I save, you can see I'm getting now this one. Okay, it may be the middle name also, but I'm getting last one like this way. So it's I hope it's clear. So what I will do, maybe you are getting confused, so I will break this one. Okay, just now look at this. First of all, what I did here, just carefully understand, value dot name split. So I am creating all the name, all the word has a separate array. First of all I have created this one. Okay, using this. So after creating this one, I want to target the last name. Okay, so that's why again I'm creating array. After that I'm just taking the length, and length means if this one, so suppose assume this one, so when I'm writing up to this code, so it's creating an array like this way, this one here comma, this one hello, then this one. Okay, just for this code I am getting like this. Okay, so now here if I would write here instead of this one, if I would write 1, so I would get middle name, but I need the last one. So that's why again I'm creating array, then I'm getting length means up to the end of the value. Okay, and then -1, this is the, actually I'm not going more about that. So this is the formula for getting, not a formula, this is the code for getting to get the last value of this array like this. Okay, so now here this one, so now what I'll do, so I'm getting the last. So now again I have to be create an array split. So now I will not add any space, the same thing how I did here, same thing I will do. I will not add any space, because if I would add space, so that time you do not create this last name would be an array, because I want to create an array of this last name, so there is no space. So I will write split and without space, and now here I will write simply 0. So you will find, so first of all I will show you the split. So you will find like this j, and here it's an array, so I need the this last name is now created an array. So from here I need only the first letter. So what I will do, so simply 0. So this one if I write here, so now you can see JD CD, J from this one and C and this one, like this. So just look at the code, and I hope it's you have understand, because understanding the main thing. If you just remember this code, so after that when you will face any kind of problem, so you cannot solve. So remember it clearly, then you face similar this type of question, so you can easily solve by yourself. Okay, so that's why this video it's a long, but you can understand, because everything I try to explain clearly. Okay, if you find this video is helpful guys, so don't forget to like this video, and you want to get more updates, so please subscribe my channel. And if you getting any problem this kind of thing, so you can write in my Insta ID, I will try to solve your doubt. Okay.